What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2022 Ford Expedition mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle's safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system. Electric park brake warning lamp. Reverse brake assist. Battery indicator. Door ajar warning lamp. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Engine oil pressure warning lamp. Malfunction indicator lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. Tow haul indicator. Lift gate ajar. Hill descent. Rear differential lock. Low fuel level warning lamp. Parking brake warning lamp. Hood ajar indicator. Powertrain warning lamp. Stability control and traction control indicator. Stability control and traction control off. Warning lamp. Low washer fluid. Tire pressure monitoring system. Warning lamp. Adaptive cruise control indicator. Auto start-stop indicators. Automatic high beam control on indicator. Blind spot monitor. Blue cruise indicator. Cruise control indicator. Direction indicator. Lamps on indicator. Efficient drive mode indicator. Front fog lamp indicator. Turn single lamp. High beam headlamp indicator. Two-wheel drive high. Four-wheel drive auto. Four-wheel drive high. Four-wheel drive low. Malfunction indicator lamp. Ready to drive indicator. Slippery mode indicator. Stability control and traction control indicator. Auto hold indicators. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. informed on the road with advanced instrument cluster and warning indicator lights. If this guide on lights indicator diagram helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.